Hey there, it's Lawso here, the assassin. Today I wanted to review the top 10 AI content creation tools you can use to help you with your content. I still believe that you need some human original thoughts, some creativity with the idea that you have in mind of what the output will be so that you can prompt the tools accordingly. So what you can use them for is, for blog posts, for ad copy, for graphics and illustrations, audios and videos, social media captions, newsletters and email campaigns, even YouTube and podcast scripts. There's a range of tools. So I'll run through them in a sec, but the efficiencies and the productivity gains are enormous. It will enhance your creativity because it'll give you other ideas and it'll take your content to the next level. I've found that with mine. You'll get some resources back or some cost savings. There's benefits there. And you can also reach a wider audience because you can ask it to do things in multilingual and a few other bits and pieces. So the first one's ChatGPT. So if you haven't used it, it's a natural language processing chatbot. I found it incredible in terms of once I've given it enough context around who I am and the business and the customers and what have you, it can give me some really good insights and amplifies the stuff that I write. Second one is Metricool. It's one of those tools you think, what a great idea. It helps you with generating post ideas and captions and to schedule across multiple platforms. A really good little tool. Now, one of the competitors with ChatGPT is Jasper AI, and it's a writing assistance for creating ads and emails and web copy and that sort of stuff. So it'll enhance what you write. The next one's more related to video and to imagery is Midjourney. It allows you to turn regular ideas into visuals for social posts and really good for generating images. So try that out, Midjourney. Here's one that I haven't used yet, but I'm keen to give it a try. Suno. So you need an original soundtrack for that TikTok video or some background music. You can just put in a text prompt and it'll generate license-free soundtracks. Sora by OpenAI. Now, if you've got a ChatGPT license, you'll be able to use Sora as part of your subscription to generate videos based on your scripts that you've written. So it's worth trying, or you can buy a direct license to Sora. Grammarly. Now, we've been using Grammarly for a really long time, generally for fixing typos and all that sort of stuff, but you can put it'll integrate into most of your applications. So we have it in email, it helps improve your emails, but in documents and spreadsheets, pretty much anywhere across any of the applications that we use, Grammarly is there to make sure that it keeps you in line with your typing. Then we get to some more creative in terms of video. InVideo makes editing your video clips really simple, and it's got some ready-made templates, text-to-video tools, and what have you. I've not used InVideo. I use another one I'll just talk about in a sec, but it's certainly a major player. Now, one of the most expensive out of all of this suite of 10 is Canva Magic Studio. It's a design tool, and it text-to-image features and templates for social posts and that sort of stuff. So you'll notice that some of these tools do the same thing. So you don't need all 10 within your business. You just need to work out which ones your people are most comfortable with using and which give you the best output. We do have a license for Canva. Now, the last one, number 10, Descript, I've been using for a couple of years, which is really good for editing video, and it does an amazing job in cleaning up things, and it's got some really nice features that I really like, so I use it every week. Really good tool. So the thing that I thought you'd want to know, if you bought all of these tools and this is just a single user monthly contribution, there you'll get less if you pay the annual fee. The total of all of these is $633 Australian per month. So that's a lot of cash for an individual. But the big kicker in that is Canva Magic Studio is $252 of that. So if you took that out, you'd be down to $381. I would think you only need 6 of these in your suite of tools for your people. And you just got to work out who needs them rather than having a license for everyone in the organization, who needs them and which ones do they need. And then make sure that they spend the time to really learn how to use them to their best capability. And I think that'll give you a really good platform to take those original ideas that you have and to be able to produce really good quality content to push out wherever you might be wanting to deliver it. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks.